Welcome to Flexi-Orb. We're a new renewables scheme and we're determined to drive up consumer confidence in renewable energy installations. But what does that mean? We want to raise standards, firstly by improving assessment quality so that installers can evidence to their customers that purchasing from a Flexi-Orb certified installer means safety, excellence and peace of mind. The consumer is at the heart of everything we do, so your customers can be assured that if they buy from a Flexi-Orb installer, their installation will be completed to our standard. And that's a promise. Our scheme is written by the industry for the industry. It's aligned to the IET codes of practice, and we mandate membership of a CTSI-approved consumer code, ensuring an insurance-backed guarantee, free access to ADR and ombudsman services on every installation. We've invested in recruiting our own highly competent assessors who will also support our technical help desk, available to installers and certification bodies, as well as consumers, reinforcing the technical principles of the scheme for the benefit of the whole industry. And we've ensured that our customer services team has a wide array of skills, so that whatever part of the industry you're from, and whatever your query, comment or complaint, we react quickly, informatively, are friendly, and we thrive on innovation. We've already collected over 11,000 customer reviews, which will help us launch our Consumer Review Centre. We'll funnel leads to our installer network and drive out those who fall short. Our UKAS recognised scheme for solar PV, electrical energy storage systems and electric vehicle charge points is live, and our heat pump standard is coming soon. So, if you are in any way involved in these technologies, from whatever part of the market, come and chat to us.